Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Go2 Bank application not working on your mobile device. If you're experiencing issues with the Go2 Bank app and it is not working properly, then there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. The first thing you'll need to make sure is that you have the latest version of Go2 Bank app installed on your device. Go ahead and open your Play Store and search for Go2 app in the search box. Once you search for the application, look for an update button if it is available for your app. If there is an update button available, simply tap on update to download the latest version of Go2 mobile banking application on your device. Another thing you can do is to restart the application. First, close the Go2 Bank app from your mobile device properly. Now, go back to your app drawer and launch your Go2 Bank app once again. Sometimes, a simple restart for the application will also fix temporary glitches. Another thing you'll need to ensure is to check for an internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, since poor connectivity can cause the app to malfunction or not load properly. If the application continues to have problem, then you can try accessing your Go2 Bank account through their official website. Simply open up a web browser on your device and type in go2bank.com and search. You can now use your mobile banking service from your web browser. Simply log into your account and you might be able to avoid the situation for now. Once the app-related problem has been resolved, you can get back to the application and start using your mobile banking app. If nothing else works out, simply uninstall your Go2 Bank application from your device. Press hold the Go2 Bank app icon and tap on uninstall. Tap on OK in the pop-up to delete your application. Once you are done with the deletion, go back to your app store and reinstall the app on your Android device and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the troubleshooting methods you can follow in order to fix Go2 Bank application not working properly on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.